been doing this for 15 years already. Galing kami sa isang maliit lang na event, and then 15 years after, we decided to level up, and here we are. We've partnered with an international convention, toy convention. We want to stick with the original nostalgia of what the toy convention is all about. It's about really the toy collectors and the toy fans meeting and greeting, and having a venue for them to like interact as a family of collectors, like friends of collectors. And again, now we're also partnering with Salt Lake, Utah, and Salt Lake, Utah is one of the biggest toy conventions, and the highlight really are the international artists that are here.
Masaya kami na nakasama ang Encantadia dito sa ToyCon. Kasi kumbaga ba yung leveling natin ibang klase na, global na. Kanina nasaru ka with the same likes of Jim Cage, Superman, tsaka si Hodor ng Game of Thrones. And hopefully, ma-recognize na tayo not only in the Philippines but at least regionally. Sana ma-recognize na Encantadia is global in appeal.
Wow, it was amazing. I mean, the girls provided the costumes, the visual effects. It was amazing, and everybody, I think, are getting pretty excited about the new Encantadia, and would like to really thank GMA for having them here with us.
11 years is a long time for something like Encantadia to come back to. So the technology is different, the computer effects is different, so level up.
Once again, Encantadia's cast for 2016. Their visual designer, Noel Flores, and director Mark Reyes. Right here at the ToyCon Top-Line Fan Experience. Wow!
Ang saya, parang nakaka-hero yung dating. Di ba kasi syempre fan din ako eh. Alam ko yung pakiramdam na kapag nakita ko yung isang taong hinahangaan ko, lalo na kapag naka-costume siya, talagang wow, Pasko, yung ganun. So, nakakatawa na isa kami doon at first time namin ma-experience ng ToyCon. Sana next time ulit.
Parang ang sarap sa feeling na na-embrace mo lahat ng fans ng Encantadia, yung mga Encantadics, na you get to interact with them, na personally talaga, na in character ka. So, ramdam din nila na nasa Encantadia din sila.
Ako, sobrang kinilibutan ako kanina, yung hiyawan nila. So, sobrang ang sarap sa feeling na, oh my God, Danaya na ako, nandito ako sa Encantadia, ginagampanan ko ngayon si Danaya. At ito, sobrang saya nila. Yun, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling. Makasama dito sa ToyCon, sobrang happy, sobrang nakaka-overwhelmed na makakasama ko yung mga taga-international. So, iba yung feeling talaga.
The last time na nandito ako naman yung nasa audience. Ako naman yung nag-aabang. Si Ryan Higa yung pinuntahan ko noon. And tapos, nung nasa backstage ako, sabi ko, oh my God, ako naman yung inaabangan ng mga tao. Ano nangyari? Ewan ko, nagsisinkin pa rin siya. Kasi parang biglang naging international lahat eh. Kasi ngayon lang ako experience ng ToyCon, parang Comic-Con, tapos may panel daw bukas. Parang, totoo ba to?
Hindi namin sila bibiguin kasi syempre lahat ng mga characters na minahal nila nandun pa rin. At bibigyan pa namin ng maraming kulay at marami pang characters ang idadagdag. So, yung mga tanong nila dati, maaaring masagot namin ngayon. Yeah. Mga Mars, abangan nyo ang Encantadia. Malapit na. Nako, pack na pack to. Matutuwa kayo ng bonggang-bongga.
This 2016 ng Encantadia, mga Mars, huwag niyo pong kakalimutang panoorin ito dahil pinaghandaan po namin ito at isang pasabog po ito sa inyong lahat.
Mga Mars, ako po si Amihan. And
Ako naman po si Danaya.
At iniimbita po namin kayong manood ng Encantadia.
Malapit na siya.
2016 na, malapit na.